My name is Dana, and I'm the Fabrication and Support Manager. My favorite part for working for JDS is just that it's not a complacent company. It's always looking to grow and get better, and you're always learning something new every day, and all the new products that come on and getting to work with customers. JDS goes above and beyond. Anytime you're talking with customers, we're always willing to help out, whether it's on phone, email, always taking time out of our day, no matter what we have going on, and just the customer support and getting orders out on time and fast. It goes a long ways compared to other companies. A nice thing is just always when you make a customer's day, they tell you you saved their project going on. So anytime you can do that, really makes you feel good. We have large customers, small customers, but every job they're doing is valuable. And if we can make it a little easier on them and keep them going on their way, it's just makes everything that much better. There's no such thing as a stupid question. We're here. We've seen every scenario possible, basically, and we're here to help. So don't be stuck on a project, lull for 2 hours when you can make a simple phone call to us and we can get you taken care of.